Welcome back. We have learned how to create individual threads. Now it is time to unleash the full power of concurrency by launching multiple threads to perform different tasks at the same time. This section demonstrates true multi-threaded operation and introduces the essential .join parenthesis method. 1. Defining the concurrent tasks. We define a simple worker function, print numbers, that takes a range and prints the numbers along with the thread's name. We will use this same function as the target for several different threads, each working on its own separate range. The interleaving output will confirm they are running concurrently. 2. Launching multiple threads. We create 3 separate thread objects, named A, B, and C, each targeting print numbers, but with distinct ranges. We store them in a list for easy management. We then loop through the list and call .start parenthesis on each one. Once all 3 are started, they are all running concurrently alongside the main thread, competing for the CPU's time. 3. The importance of thread.join parenthesis. When the main thread finishes, the entire program exits, even if the worker threads are still running. If the main thread needs the results of the worker threads before continuing, it must wait. The .join parenthesis method forces the calling thread, in this case the main thread, to wait until the thread it is called on completes its execution. We loop again and call .join parenthesis on each worker thread, guaranteeing that the final print statement only executes after all workers are done. To summarize, you can now launch multiple threads and control when they finish using .join parenthesis. Our next lecture 26.08, Using Sleep. See you there.